Hi, AMIA Summit. So this is just the Google Colab that I threw together for us to take a quick look at GPT-2, which was a precursor released in 2020, I believe, of released publicly. I think that they released it in 2019, but to have access to it was 2020. Because they were worried about it taking over the world and everyone being able to use it to fill the internet with junk. Um, Oh, how things have changed over time. So I went and put together a quick Google Colab so that we could look specifically at how these things work. When you get this, all you need to do is click the play button and it's going to generate a response to a given statement here at the bottom of the page. And so in this case, I'm a primary care provider because the patient has reported the following list of symptoms: cough, chills, shortness of breath, sore throat, congestion. I have diagnosed them with the disease with a colon. And if we go down here, after it initializes, it takes about 2 or 3 minutes. We'll go here. It is the smallest version of the ChatGPT-2, which was 117 million parameters. The largest was 1.5 billion. To put it in some perspective, the smallest ones that you see Meta releasing are 7 billion parameters these days. Microsoft just released some 1.5 billion parameter ones. Um, but anyway, I've diagnosed them with the disease, erythema, lymphos, cervical, bladder disorders, and it decided on a single one. I had to run this 4 times before it actually generated something useful. Multiple occasions, it just generated something blank. Sometimes it told me things that were completely outside of healthcare. If you drop this text into ChatGPT today, or any of the models, it's going to have some fun answers for you. It most likely will tell you that describes COVID, and COVID wasn't a thing yet when GPT-2 was released, but it should have diagnosed a few other common symptoms. The second set here, again, I just went ahead and threw everything together because it doesn't hurt you. You just hit play, and it will take and tell you the exact probabilities of the next word. And there's some fuzzy logic that goes on in the back of the system, which makes it make a choice. And sometimes it's going to choose the top most likely word, and sometimes it's going to choose the 10th. Just to give you some idea in a what I consider a more intuitive way, I pledge allegiance to. The next word might be the. I pledge allegiance to God, you, my. I was quite shocked to see Trump. A little surprised to see Jesus, but not that surprised. Um, very. I did not think Trump was pledging allegiance to back on the when this was trained, and its training data. I haven't looked specifically, but my assumption is it goes to about 2018. Um, anyway, just one of those fun little side notes where you get a surprise when you look at all these. But anyway, that is the quick example that we'll be looking at and that you can download and play with and get a sense of where we were just recently.